Hey, what is up, guys? Daily Marlin 72 back at it again with another episode of Smackdown vs. Raw 2008 season mode with the boy King Booker. Yeah. Let's see. That's weird. I could have swore we had a title. That is weird. Yeah, why don't we have the title? Huh. Okay. But yeah, guys, today we're going to hop in with another episode. Got Joseph versus Masters, Triple H versus Randy Orton, Candice versus Mickey, King Booker versus HBK, and Jeff Hardy and Edge. I don't know why it's not saying we have the title, but whatever. Let's do this. I wasn't expecting that at the beginning. Just threw me off for a whole loop.
Welcome to Smackdown.
Alright, let's skip that. Alright, so whatever. We won the title last episode. That's all that matters. Alright, come on. Let's do this. Oh, okay. There we go. Irish whip. Nope. Oh, we finally hit that move. Nice. Alright, cool. There we go. So, yesterday we finally uploaded the new series to the channel. Really excited about that. Having a lot of fun doing it. And like we talked about before, once I finish season mode, I'm thinking of possibly bringing back... I don't know. I'm thinking of bringing back GM mode from 2006. But I'm still kind of like waiting on that right now. Like, I don't know if I fully want to do that just yet. Oh, come on. There we go, reversal. But yeah, I might do that, or I might just wait until I have like 2 series going at a time to do it. Alright, there we go. Alright, little insight, guys, if you were wondering, that was thunder. That was loud. But, you guys heard what that was, but yeah, that's what I'm pretty much thinking of doing. We will bring back GM mode relatively soon. I'm just not sure when yet. But yeah, because like GM mode was fun, and I do want to bring that back. I just don't know where to put it in with like the climate of what we're making and how many shows we have. But yeah, pretty much that's just the inside to that. We might bring back GM mode, or I'll just do like another like filler series. I'll probably do another Pokemon ROM hack because I do have fun making those. Oh, come on, reversal. All right, there we go. And no. So yeah, this series is going to end once we get to WrestleMania. So just inside to that, once we hit WrestleMania, we are done with the series. All right, there we go. Nice. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. There we go. Oh, come on. This is the first time I think we faced HBK in this series with King Booker. Come on, get over here, Sean. There we go. Nice Irish whip. Alright, don't really know what happened there, but whatever. Alright, come on, and... come on. Oh, no. There we go, Sean. Okay, come on, get in that corner. Damn it. But yeah, so far I'm having a lot of fun with the series that we're making. Like, we finally finished Pokemon Emerald recently, like a few days ago, and it was a lot of fun to make. Oh, That caught me off guard. Wow, that was loud. Okay, that was crazy. I'm not gonna lie. I saw the like lightning flash and I was like, oof, that is going to be loud. But nah, let's just worry about this. Super kick. Alright, come on, let's pull you into the middle. Oh, we can't do it right now. Come on. Oh, Sean's bleeding. Here we go. Okay, I think we got it. Alright, here we go. Sweet Chin music. And hit him with it. And we pin him.
1, 2, 3.
Nice. Alright, nice. That is awesome. Okay, so there we go. Even with the Thunder, we still win. Oh, Tommy, what are you doing here?
No. We're just here to offer a little challenge. Since ECW is the most dominant brand of sports ever,
Are you sure about that? Oh.
Let me remind you that you are standing in my ring. That makes this round zero, mister. But you know, your boldness has sparked in me a wonderful idea for Survivor Series. Now the main event will be a triple threat match between WWE World Heavyweight and ECW champions.
Oh, okay, let's go. They'll have to acknowledge my status as champ now. Alright, so let's see. Jeff Hardy beat Edge. We beat HBK. Candice beat Mickey. Triple H beat Randy. And Masters beat Joseph. Man, it sounds like Thor is outside. He's battling Thanos. Medical staff. Oh, come on. We'll do one more Raw just to just for time reasons. Alright, let's see.
Hey, champ, I bet you're not too happy that the chairman of World Wrestling Entertainment is backing your opponent at Survivor Series. Just wanted to let you know that not every member of the McMahon family feels that way.
Okay. Coach, we've got to get you warmed up for your big match at Survivor Series, champ. I'm throwing you right into the fire this week. You're in a non-title match against World Heavyweight Champion Batista. Okay. Represent Raw and take advantage of this chance to beat the competition, or peep the competition.
Listen, I'm going to inherit this company from my old man someday, right? So why should I wait for him to decide to retire? If he beat my father's favorite at Survivor Series, then maybe the great Vince McMahon will lose some of his appetite for the business. Listen, I'll find up someone who might be able to help you. They'll be giving you a call.
Oh, I thank you, Shane. Alright, let's do this. HBK versus Edge, Shad versus Kenny, Joseph versus Masters, John Cena versus Randy Orton, and King Booker versus Batista. Let's go. Oh, Tori Wilson. Thor, can you please be quiet so I can record?
Survivor Series is less than 2 weeks away. Hello again, friends and enemies.
Don't try to shake my hand. Alright, nice. Alright, let's do this. The good thing about Batista and HBK is that they both have finishers that pin, so it's just so much easier when you steal them. Alright, come on, get up. Ooh, there we go. And chop them. Nice, there we go. And we're going to give him a little knee. Show him what's up, sucker. Okay, that was a fail. Oh, no. Alright, there we go. And oh, no. Oh, come on. Alright, here we go. Alright, come on. There we go. Reversal. Ah, come on. Batista, stop reversing. What? Alright, come on. Oh, no. Are you serious, Batista? What are you trying to get me out of the ring for?
One,
And you're just gonna taunt on me like that?
two,
You forget that I'm the showman here, sir.
one,
They call me Hugh Jackman because I'm the greatest showman.
two.
Alright, here we go. Little arm wriggle. Oh, come on. Alright, reversal. Oh, there we go. Swinging neck breaker. Let's get our patented flapjack. Oh, no. There we go. Patented flapjack. Here we come. Oh, no, he speared me. He speared me. Alright, there we go. Get off of me. Oh, no. Ah, come on. And, ooh, okay, no, they're not like that, but here we go. Nice, here we go. Oh, no, what are you doing, Batista? Alright, come on. And give him a little kick to the head. Nice. There we go, flapjack. You know, I picked, honestly, like, the perfect time to record. Alright, come on, get down. And Batista bomb. What was that? What happened there? Alright, come on. Okay, there we go. Alright, come on, there we go. Alright, take him down with the full Nelson thing. Batista, just stay down. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Alright, Batista, leave me alone. Come on. Oh my god, I just realized something. I think last episode I said that Undertaker fought Mark Henry at this WrestleMania. No, he fought... That's right, Undertaker fought Batista at this WrestleMania. That's what it was. It totally just crossed... And he speared me. It totally crossed my mind. Alright, come on, get up. Ah, come on. Are you serious? Come on, get up, get up. I'm gonna win this, Batista. Like, you might be Raw champ, or Smackdown champ, but I'm Raw champ now. And, come on, seriously? There we go. Get Batista. Nice. Oh, Batista, come on. Alright, let's get up. Let me up. There we go. Batista bomb. Let's show it to him. Batista bomb. There we go. What the hell? Okay, there we go. It almost didn't count it again. I was about to be like, what? Alright, nice. We got the 3 count on Batista. Joseph, 6'1" from Brooklyn.
I don't think he was too happy with the reception.
Alright, it's just the same old, same old. Okay, let's see. Let's see who won this week. John Cena beat Randy Orton. Joseph beat Masters. Shad beat Kenny. And HBK beat Edge. Nice.
Congratulations on your victory, champ. But you can't count on getting that lucky again at Survivor Series. With my ECW champion involved in the match, are you sure you haven't bitten off more than you can chew?
I literally beat like Bobby Lashley like a month or 2 ago. Come on. Okay, there we go. It has our title in there. And we're 76 popularity. Nice. Alright guys, so I'm ending it off here. Figure the 2 episodes and a little bit of thunder for this episode. But yeah, I'm ending it off here. Hope you guys have a nice rest of your day, and I'll see you guys next time.